With the national lockdowns currently in place, we are fortunate enough to be an essential retailer. All the same, the process of bringing your Mercedes-Benz into our workshop has changed. Initially, once you've driven in from either the car park or the main site entrance, you will need to put on a mask and wind your window down to speak to one of our team. The member of staff will confirm your booking and ask you to turn off the ignition. If you have a loan car, they will also ask to borrow your license to arrange insurance. And once your details are confirmed, you'll be asked to leave your keys on the dashboard before you are shown either to your loan car or to the door. With the vehicle now vacated, we will cover and sanitize the main touch points. These include the wheel, the footwell, and of course, the seat. All before the car is taken to the workshop. Rest assured that the covers will be kept on throughout the visit and only removed when we are no longer going to be inside the vehicle. We look forward to seeing you, and we'd like to wish you all the best.